ग्रीटिंग्स फ्रॉम टीम पॉकेट स्टडी। ये वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि पॉकेट स्टडी ऐप को इस लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में भी कितना अच्छे से यूज़ किया जा सकता है और अपनी पूरी जो स्कूलिंग लाइव लेक्चर्स है वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से पॉकेट स्टडी के माध्यम से इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं। So these are different tabs available. So let me show you real time example of this school. I have already got a consent from that school to record such beautiful experience. So when we click on department standard, so now in this 10th standard there are multiple subjects available. For example, let me click on science. See, these are different flashcards available. We can change the theme as well. We can see it in list view. So for example,
Namaste, Jai Hind students. Today I am sending the 3 YouTube links. In that all the 3 process of plant is explained, and also I am sending the 3 images in which the question answer in the worksheet will be given. Okay, so write the question answer from the images. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, so such kind of daily flashcards can be created. This is the first example of using flashcard. In video tab, they are doing such type of thing when we click on it. So they are recording
this is the figure of human
this kind of videos from phone as well, and they'll upload it in this kind of structured way.
excretory system. Here are the main labeling of excretory system, that is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the main.
Okay, we can picture in picture mode enable as well. For example, if we click on this, so now this video will be played like this.
Parts. There are several labeling for it, but I have not mentioned that many labeling because the important parts are covered in this 4 thing only. Now, these are the main key points to remember the human excretory system. Remember, this is
okay. So this is the first example of using these flashcards, videos and documents in simultaneous manner. So in different subjects, for example, in Gujarati, see this kind of thing is there, different videos, documents available.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ જય હિન્દ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. આજે ગુજરાતીમાં તમને ચેપ્ટર 3 પ્રયાણ મામા.
So this kind of local languages also can be taught via this. Let me show you one more example. Okay, so see, these are different subjects in local language of Gujarati. So if we click on Sanskrit, okay, so they are teaching Sanskrit as well through this. When we click on this,
નમસ્તે નચિકેતાઓ, જય હિન્દ. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 10 ના પાઠ્યપુસ્તક સંસ્કૃતમાંથી પદ્ય 18 મુક્તાની મુક્તકા.
So now via flashcards they will guide students what to study today, and when we click on video, then here they'll explain
નમસ્કાર
everything.
નચિકેતાઓ, જય હિન્દ. આજના આ સંસ્કૃતના લેક્ચરમાં આપ સર્વનું સ્વાગત છે.
So this is very beautifully
નામ ગોતવાનું છે અને એ નામ એ શ્લોકમાં જ રહેલું છે, જેમ કે અપૂર્વો.
Okay, so this is a good example of teaching different languages, maths as well. So different sums can be.
નમસ્તે નચિકેતાઓ, જય હિન્દ.
Okay, let me show you some more real-time examples. So in this institute, when we click on mathematics subjects, so let's see goods and services tax, that is GST. Okay, so they are creating such kind of flashcards in order to understand student about theory and definition, so that they can quickly remember it and it will be used as a revision tool as well.
Class 10 syllabus. The full form of GST is Goods and Services Tax. I'm letting you this understand by a simple example. Let
So this kind of reference pics also
say
available.
you have purchased a dress which is of 100 rupees.
and they are explaining it by different examples. Also, such kind of different flashcards with definitions and theories will help students to continue revision in exam time and in revision time as well. Okay, so one more example, standard 8 physics. If we click on physics data, so these are different flashcards. So they are using it. So when we click on list, such kind of different topics are available. So for one particular chapter, they are creating such kind of flashcards for each topic. So for example, if we click on any of them, let's say change in state of matter,
or heat is either taken out from the body. Okay, now change of liquid into gas. So when it happens, when we add heat to any liquid, the state of the matter changes from liquid.
So this is also one more wonderful use case in which for each chapter teacher needs to create topic wise flashcards, and such kind of flashcards can be accessed by a student, and such by they can easily understand the entire theory of a chapter by exploring different flashcards. Also relevant videos of understanding it and documents also you can upload for students. One more creative example. So this teacher in English is teaching wonderfully. For example, let's click on the proposition.
Good morning, everybody. Now today's topic is the use of prepositions. At, in and on. Now these prepositions are used in respect of time and in respect of place. Now,
so wonderful explanation, exercises, such kind of things can be done. Okay, in notification, when you upload any video.
good morning, everyone.
Yeah, so this kind of notification will come like new video available in mathematics, so that students will get to know about it. One more amazing example, even nursery and KG students can be taught. So in pre-primary nursery conversation class, see teachers are teaching like this. So
Good morning, students. I am Sriparna Chakraborty, and now I am. Good afternoon, students, and now it is your conversation class. So yesterday you have learned about some body parts like hair, eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs. These all are parts of our.
one more wonderful example is tell stories and poems so that student can easily remember it like this.
कछुए के पेड़ पर फल लगे, बंदर का हिस्सा सूख गया। कछुआ फल तोड़ ना सकता था, अतः उसने बंदर की सहायता मांगी। बंदर बोला, मुझे क्या मिलेगा? कछुआ बोला, तुम्हें मैं कुछ फल दे दूंगा।
In this one more example, they are teaching first grade student by a poem.
તો ધ્યાનથી ઇમેજને જોજો, મારા અવાજને સાંભળજો। તો શરૂ કરીએ છીએ વ્યંજન। સૌથી પહેલા વ્યંજન છે ક। ક કમળનો ક, પછી છે ખ। ખ ખટારાનો ખ।
Okay, this is in local language Gujarati. Real-time music and along with singing of different poem will help student to remember it fast, and again they can play it like a music player.
वाला डिब्बा कट के पहुंचा सीधा जेल में, नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोरे गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए।
So this is amazing experience. Okay, so hope you like different use cases and examples of Pocket Study app. You can do flashcards, documents, videos, many more things. If you want to know how to create these, then refer my one more audio in detail. Now let me show you one more example, live classes. So here teacher can schedule instant live classes from app itself. You'll have to create live stream and title, description, and then relevant student will get notified once they'll click on it. See, these are listing of different live classes happening. Just student needs to click join classroom. So yeah, see, this live class has started. Let me mute my video. These are different options available, and a teacher can start teaching from mobile app itself, along with live screen sharing in web as well. So this is one more example of this app. You also can refer how to start live class from web or app in detail in one more video. Thank you.